Welcome to the first port guide of the year for the PS Vita, and today we are going to be installing Swordigo from the Android Play Store. Swordigo is a 3D platformer that offers an amazing adventure. Explore a magical realm filled with dungeons, towns, and monsters while gaining experience and leveling up your character. You will find powerful weapons, items, and spells to defeat your foes, venturing into gloomy caves and dungeons to discover powerful swords. With fluid, challenging platforming gameplay designed for mobile devices, this port works exceptionally well on the PS Vita, especially with the latest update version of 1.1 that leverages Vita GL to improve performance drastically. This guide will walk you through the installation process and ensure everything works smoothly. So here's what you'll need. First, you'll need the data files from the Android APK. You'll need two different plugins, KU Bridge and FD Fix. And you'll need the following apps: Easy Plugin to install those plugins I just mentioned before, VitaDB Homebrew Store to download the Swordigo VPK and install it on your console, and VitaShell to connect your console via USB connection or FTP client on your phone or PC. The tools you'll need is a file manager for your phone, a PC, and a file explorer like Z7zip. Let's begin with step 1, installing the required plugins. Use the Easy Plugin app on your PS Vita to install the KU Bridge and FD Fix plugins. These are essential for running the game. Step 2, download the VPK. Download the Swordigo VPK from the VitaDB Homebrew Store. If you're unable to use the app, a direct download link will be provided in the comment section down below. Step 3, we're going to obtain the Android data files. Download the game on your phone and install it from the Google Play Store on your Android phone. The game is free, but consider paying $1.99 to remove ads and support the developers. Next, we're going to back up the APK. Use a file manager on your phone to back up the game into an APK file. Most file managers will allow you to hold the app name in the file manager app and select a backup option. Next, we're going to transfer the APK to our PC, connect your phone to your PC, and locate the backed up APK file. Copy it to an accessible location on your PC. Step 4, we're going to extract the APK data. Use 7zip to extract the contents of the APK. Right-click the APK file, choose Show More Options on Windows 11, and select Extract here. Step 5, we're going to transfer the files to the PS Vita. Connect your PS Vita to your PC using VitaShell. Navigate to the data folder in the root of your PS Vita, and we're going to create a new folder called Swordigo. Copy the following files into your Swordigo folder. The first one is the libswordigo.so file located in the lib folder, and within that folder we're going to go into the subfolder called arm-eabi-v7a. Next, we're going to copy the assets folder, and within the res folder you'll find a raw folder. If it's missing, I'll provide a download link in the comment section below. Once all the files are transferred, return to your PS Vita and launch Swordigo. The game should run at a smooth 60 frames per second with no lag or hesitation. The graphics are vibrant and the performance is very impressive. Here's an optional plugin. To obtain trophies on your PSN account through this game, install the No TRP DRM plugin. This step is optional, but it enhances the overall experience, and you can have some fun obtaining some really cool trophies for your account. And that is it for this guide. Let me know your thoughts on Swordigo and what ports you'd like to see next for the PS Vita. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more homebrew content and tutorials. Don't forget to check out the pinned comment for additional resources and links. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.